As the automotive industry continues to experience the effects of COVID-19 from delayed programs and closures of facilities, it is more important than ever for companies to find a return on investment when it comes to their reusable packaging. More and more companies are looking for resources and experts to effectively establish programs and manage returnable loops. ORBIS Engineering Services will work directly with companies to build out specific requirements and standardize their reports in order to increase the visibility of their launch. One challenge OEMs are experiencing is the lack of visibility during new model launch programs, between unclear shipment timing and order delays from suppliers to various bottlenecks caused by multiple packaging providers having to work together to collectively assemble packaging components. This can jeopardize their launch. Some OEMs have multiple production facilities that all operate independently of one another. One OEM has packaging engineers managing their own launches at each facility. Without standardized reports in a common language, the information that is reported back to headquarters will often need to be modified to provide a clear picture of each facility's status. With the help of ORBIS Engineering Services, we have dedicated on-site and remote associates who are focused on providing full visibility to their launch program. We will ensure OEMs and tier suppliers are on the same page from what is ordered, when it was ordered, and to when the supplier will have launch readiness. This helps us plan for the correct volume and provide accurate timing to meet both OEMs and supplier dates.
Establishing a successful packaging program is just one piece of the puzzle. Leading OEMs and tier suppliers are often looking to increase visibility when managing packaging throughout the supply chain. Getting the right packaging in the right place at the right time can be a difficult task, especially when companies have no standardization when it comes to tracking their fleet. With the help of ORBIS' reusable packaging management services, we created procedures and standards that went into a database in order to track their information. There are many steps in order to increase visibility of their data. First, creating a 5S operation will help their associates find data easier and create less paper waste. The elimination of tracking information on paper created labor efficiencies and freed up associates to work on value-added projects. By creating a warehouse management system, we can now track inventory of their packaging for their suppliers in real time. This gives associates accurate data to see how much packaging they have on hand and where they can grab that packaging in their warehouse. Not only does this management system allow for increased visibility, but offers data-driven information to help serve their customers more efficiently. With ORBIS, we have experts that are ready to help you every step of the way in your supply chain, from establishing packaging programs and manage your packaging fleet. To learn more about ORBIS' services capabilities, please visit www.orbiscorporation.com.